Fruit-to-object transformation videos are still extremely rare on social media because this is one of the newest viral AI trends. The best part? By creating videos like these consistently, in this tutorial, I'll show you the complete process of creating these amazing videos step by step. Now open ChatGPT and type, "Give me a list of 20 fruits and 20 supercars." Hit enter, and within seconds, ChatGPT will generate plenty of ideas for you. Simply pick any fruit and any supercar from the list. I choose watermelon, and select Supercar Lamborghini Revuelto. Create unlimited fruit-to-object transformation videos. I've prepared a master prompt for you. You'll find the prompt in the description below. Copy the entire prompt, then open Google Flow AI. Select Image to Video mode, set the aspect ratio to 9:16, and choose the OmniFlash model. Now paste the master prompt into the prompt box. This is where the real magic begins. You'll see a fruit field. Simply enter the name of any fruit you want, watermelon. Next, scroll down to the object field and type Supercar Lamborghini Revuelto. Everything is now ready. Click Generate. Within just a few minutes, your fruit-to-object transformation video will be ready. And look at that! Our first video is complete. Now let's create another one. Paste the same master prompt again. Go to the fruit field and this time type jackfruit. For the object, let's choose tractor. Everything is set. Click Generate. Within a few moments, boom! Our second fruit-to-object transformation video is ready. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications, because I regularly share the latest AI video trends before they become saturated. Also, comment below which AI trend you'd like me to cover next.